Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to enter payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you're having this type of problem, your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method and try again later. So if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device while entering the payment method, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device. So here you can see that when you try to enter the payment method, here you can see that here is problem, your payment method was declined. So here if you want to fix this, here you will have to go back. Then here you will need to close this tab. Then after that, first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. So after that, here you will have to scroll it down, then here tap on general. Then here you need to scroll it down all the way, and here make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then here you will have to disconnect with VPN. Then after that, go back. And after that, the second thing, you will have to make sure that your Apple ID country region and your device country region should be same. So here you will need to tap on general, then scroll it down, and here we'll have tap on language and region. And here make sure that your iPhone region and your Apple region should be same. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here wait a while, then here tap on your Apple ID profile, then again tap on your Apple ID. So here you can see that here is the option of country origin. Here you will need to tap on country origin. After that, here tap on change country origin. Then here you will have to select your own country where you are living. Here I'm going to select my own country. You will have to select your country. So here I'm going to select my country. Then after that, here you will need to wait a while. So these are the terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will need to tap on agree here. So after that, here you will have to select debit or credit card. Then here you will have to enter your debit or credit card number correctly. Then here you will need to enter the expiry date of your debit or credit card. Here make sure that the month should be of 2 digits and the year should be 4 digits. Then here below you will have to enter the security code of 3 digits that will be mentioned on the back side of your debit or credit card. So after that, here you will have to put your billing address. Then after that, here you need to tap on done, then again tap on next. Then after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.